Alright guys, I'm back, and let's see. Let's send a shout out to the group right behind the group I just did a shout out to. So Mika, Anthony, Brad, and Sky, this one's for you. And you guys get the nice fun video because it's all calculator. So all this video is converting angles from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, seconds. It's a more exact measurement than just dealing with degrees. Sometimes it's easier to see what you're working with. So for some of the problems we're going to be doing that. Most of the trig stuff we do, you'll want to be in this mode. So to convert to degrees, minutes, seconds, you want to check your mode. You must be in degree mode. So let's do that first. There's the calculator, and I'm going to go, and sure enough my calculator is not in degree mode. It's in radians, so I've hit fix that. And then I'm going to second mode to get out of there. And what else? So that's all we have to check. So I want to convert 167.321 to degrees, minutes, and seconds. Here's what you do. You type in 167.321. And then you look for the button, and on most calculators it's the same button as the app button. It should say angle above that. So we hit second angle, and sure enough there's a few options. One of those options is number 4, which says DMS. I'm guessing you guys are all smart enough to figure out what that stands for. It stands for converting it to degrees, minutes, and seconds. Voila! The final answer is 167 degrees, 19 minutes, and 15.6 seconds. So, like I said, 167 degrees, which makes sense because it's how many degrees we had. 19 minutes and 15.6 seconds. And that's all you have to do. Why don't you guys try number 2 on your own? Pause the video, see what you can do, and go from there. Where's my calculator? There it is. Alright, so hopefully you guys just typed in negative 23.5 and hit second app where angle is and went down to number 4 and hit enter. And you get negative 23 degrees and 30 minutes, which makes sense. Let's think about this for a second. 0.5 is half of a degree. Well, if we're doing minutes and seconds, remember, what's half a minute? Or what's a half an hour? You can think of degree as like the hour if you want. There are 30 minutes in the next degree. So, I'm sorry, there are 60 minutes in a degree. So we have half of that, or 30 minutes. That'll be important when you start rounding, because you can't think of rounding in terms of just 5 and up. It's now 3 and up because we're in base 60s for the minutes and the seconds. But don't worry about that right now. Let's just write down our answer. Negative 23 degrees and 30 minutes and 0 seconds. Okay, so that's that one. Now, to go backwards, it's as easy as you would think. You just type in this information. So, for example, if I bring my calculator back up, I type in 273. Now, some of you guys might wonder, where's the degree symbol? It was right where you were. Go to second angle and look at number 1, degrees. 54, the minute symbol is also in there. So you have to go in there for the minute symbol. Now, the second symbol is not there. The second symbol is above your plus sign, and then you have to hit the alpha key to get it. Okay, it's like the quote. So you do alpha plus. Oh, except for I probably should type in 36 first, or else we weren't going to get the same answer. And we'll do alpha plus. Now it says 273 degrees, 54 minutes, and 36 seconds. That's what I want to know. I hit enter, and sure enough, I'm back in decimal degrees. This would be the same thing as 273 degrees and 91, or 0.91. 273.91 degrees. Why don't you guys pause the video and just try this last one? You do need to include the 0 minutes just to make it work. And if you are done pausing it, here we go. I'm going to go quickly through this one. Remember, the degrees and the minutes are both under the second app button. And then the seconds are the, like I said, alpha plus. and you hit enter, and you get 542.016 if we round up to 3 decimals, which we will. So 542.016 degrees. Again, you have to be in degree mode to do that. And that was the lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed teaching it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.